A major leak has given drone fans their clearest look yet at the upcoming DJI Avata 360, and this time, it's not another AI-generated mock-up. The retail box image looks authentic, down to the packaging layout and DJI's familiar minimalist design, which is why enthusiasts believe this one's the real deal. The timing of the leak couldn't be better either. After the success of the Avata 2, DJI seems ready to push even further into the creative and FPV drone market. With competitors like Insta360 recently unveiling their own aerial innovation, the pressure is on for DJI to reclaim the spotlight. The leaked packaging suggests this is the Fly More Combo Edition, which includes 3 intelligent batteries, a small but important upgrade for creators tired of frequent recharging. The box also includes multi-language text, hinting at a worldwide release. According to the details, the Avata 360 will be capable of recording native 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second using dual 1.3-inch sensors. This allows pilots to easily switch between immersive spherical video and a traditional forward-facing FPV view, something previous Avata models never offered. The combination of 360 capture and FPV agility could make this one of the most versatile drones ever produced. The goggles are also getting an upgrade. The new Goggles 3 will reportedly feature DJI's OFR transmission system, promising a range of up to 13 kilometers, along with low-latency video and enhanced comfort with adjustable diopters. Their C-Motion 3 controller returns too, making it easier for users to fly intuitively with gestures. Each of the 3 included batteries offers roughly 20% more capacity than those in the Avata 2, giving pilots longer flights and fewer interruptions. The combo also includes a charging hub, pair propellers, and a compact carrying case designed for travel. With a leaked price of around $975, it's clear DJI is aiming to make high-end 360 FPV technology more accessible to a wider audience. Leaks indicate the drone's body has undergone a serious redesign, thinner, longer, and more aerodynamic than before. The top sits nearly level with the rotors to prevent the body from appearing in 360 shots. It's finished in a sleek light gray, matching DJI's modern aesthetic. Interestingly, the first prototype leaks didn't show a top lens, leading many to believe DJI was intentionally concealing the main 360 feature. Later leaks revealed a small bump on the top of the drone, which many speculate hides the upper lens. There's even talk of 2 possible versions, one focused on full 360 capture and another designed for pure FPV performance. Reports also suggest that DJI has built a unique rotating gimbal that hides the bottom 360 lens when not in use. This allows the drone to switch between full spherical capture and high-speed FPV flights seamlessly. In 360 mode, the 2 lenses point up and down to capture the entire environment with an invisible drone effect. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates, revealing just one forward-facing camera. Each lens is said to offer a 180 field of view, combining to create detailed 8K 360 footage using AI stitching. The system may also support 5K 60 FPS video in FPV mode, 30-megapixel stills, and massive 120-megapixel panoramic shots in 360 mode. To handle this data, the Avata 360 could include 128 GB of internal storage with microSD expansion, and flight times are expected to increase to about 25 minutes. The Avata 360 isn't just about camera upgrades, it's also packed with intelligent tracking and safety systems, continuing DJI's reputation for reliable flight control. The excitement around this release is partly fueled by the competition it's facing. Insta360 recently introduced the Anti-Gravity 1, a drone designed entirely around 360 capture. The one flipped expectations, offering an experience that feels more like flying a camera than piloting a drone. Instead of worrying about angles or framing, users simply fly while the drone captures everything. During editing, they can choose any perspective: forward, backward, sideways, even toward themselves. The simplicity of this approach has creators calling it a game changer. What's fascinating is how these 2 drones represent opposite philosophies. The Anti-Gravity 1 is a 360 camera that happens to fly, while the Avata 360 appears to be a high-performance FPV drone that happens to capture 360 video. The one prioritizes ease and automatic flight, while DJI's machine will likely focus on precision, speed, and manual control. The one also introduces clever design elements like retractable landing gear to keep the full 360 view unobstructed. However, it's not without flaws. Its battery life is modest, and 8K footage requires heavy post-processing. DJI's advantage lies in its refined image quality, professional-grade stabilization, and robust flight systems that appeal to filmmakers and serious pilots. The rise of these drones marks a shift in aerial filmmaking. The old approach, controlling every angle manually, is giving way to tools that emphasize creativity and freedom. The new generation of drones aims to make flight effortless, letting users focus on storytelling instead of piloting. For beginners, that means stunning footage with minimal skill. For professionals, it opens up new ways to shoot impossible angles and immersive perspectives. The competition between the Anti-Gravity 1 and DJI's Avata 360 could define the next era of drone innovation. One offers complete creative freedom with minimal control, while the other blends high-speed agility with full 360 capture. Whether you're a travel vlogger chasing cinematic shots, an FPV enthusiast craving adrenaline, or a creator looking for the next big leap in storytelling tools, the coming months are about to get interesting. The Anti-Gravity 1 has already turned heads as a bold new experiment in aerial 360 filmmaking. But DJI's response to the Avata 360 might just redefine what a drone can do. If DJI delivers on these leaks, we're looking at a device that merges two worlds into one sleek, high-tech machine. The question now isn't if it's coming, but how soon we'll see it in the sky and how far it will push the limits of creative flight.